Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to be baking lime marshmallow slice. So we're going to be starting off with the shortcake base. Okay, I'll show you guys the ingredients. The egg, vanilla essence, icing, sugar. We haven't got self-raising flour, so we're just going to use normal flour.
So you're making the base, so yeah, the butter. Yeah. Not that one, no, there.
No.
This one, yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Put it in the microwave?
Yeah. So.
This one?
No, that one, yep.
Put it up to the top there?
Yep. Okay.
Oh. No, I think you should do this one. I'm not really good doing this.
Yes. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence.
The little one?
No, the next. Yes.
Oh.
Okay, yep.
What?
Mix that.
Oh shit.
Oh. So just add 3 half cups of flour.
3?
Yeah, 3 half cups.
So that's 1.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Just try not to keep it in the bowl.
Alright. Seriously.
Made a mess, yes. Okay, stir that all in.
Not marshmallows. Yuppie. Probably needs to be cleaned. Here you go.
Okay. Now you do that in and press it down. Yeah.
Oh.
Making a mess.
Oh. Not really good doing this. Oh, you're making me mess. Come here, you bastard! No.
Put it on 160.
Go.
Yeah, okay.
Doing the filling part now. So
Doing the filling, so you need 1 cup
of white sugar.
Yeah, we'll put, yeah.
Put a little bit more. Oh.
Yeah, okay.
In here.
Yeah.
And what else?
Water.
1 cup of water.
Yes, a cup of water. Yes.
the sugar.
Yes, put it in here.
And
now you've got to grate your lemons, your 2 lemons, and so cut the.
I know.
And put the juice in.
Put the juice in here.
Yep.
So that'd be nice. Yeah, no. The big one, eh?
Yeah, the big one, 2 tablespoons of the custard powder. Okay. Then 2 tablespoons of corn flour.
That'd be enough for that cup. In here?
No, just a little bit. Hang on, just put a little bit of milk in because you've got to make that into a paste. So just, yeah.
Like that?
Yep. And just mix it up.
Again.
Fork. Now you might have to add a little bit more milk just to get it to a paste.
Oops. Got a lot of milk in there. But who cares?
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, pull it out and see, get the... Okay, stir it because you've got your sugar and everything in there. Okay, stir in the custard. Mix. We'll take the fork out. Oh, look at the mess. Look at the mess. Okay.
You guys cut half over.
Yeah, just stir it. Yeah, pour it and stir it. Oh, yeah, well, that's why you've got the hole there. Yes.
I'm just going to chop over.
Yeah. Okay. And just stir. You've got to keep stirring.
Hot.
Oh. I've got the spatula there.
Yeah, no.
Oh, that looks nice, Veronica. Made a mess, look.
Someone's got cleaning disorder. Up, up.
Okay, just spread it out.
Okay. Oh, batch. Yo, there you go.
Okay.
First.
We're making the marshmallow. Cup of boiling water.
A cup.
Yeah, and that one.
This one here.
Yes.
1 cup.
Yes. Okay.
Another?
No. 2 tablespoons of gelatine.
Oh,
Oh, bugger.
the big one.
Yeah, just 2. Yeah, level. Yeah. Yes. And another one. Dissolve that, whisk it around. So as the gelatine dissolve. Okay, now add 1 cup of sugar, white sugar.
This one?
No, that one in that white cup.
This cup.
Yes. Okay. Put it on the element, stir it all, and then put it on the element, bring it to boil. Okay. Okay. Do it over because you're going to make a mess.
Too late. Too late. Nope. A little bit. Yep.
Okay. And 1 teaspoon of lemon essence.
1 tea. This one.
Yep. Okay, now beat it. Beat it.
Ugh. Pour it over.
Yep. Okie dokie.
Piggy pokey. What?
Gonna finish your.
No, not yet. Thank you for watching how to make lemon marshmallow slice. If you guys want this recipe, the link down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.